Water can be the reason of many diseases. So drink clean water to lead a healthy life. That is where your water purifier comes in. Recently I bought the LG Puricare WW130NP RO and decided to make a video of it to share my experience with all of you watching this. Before we proceed further, an important note, LG offers a free installation service and the technician will come within 24 hours to install it at your home. It also offers a complimentary maintenance in the first year for its complete water purifier range. This is LG Puricare WW130NP RO. First thing that you will take a note of its impressive design. It looks classy and will look really good once you have got it installed on your kitchen wall. It has no visible filters on its body, unlike other water purifiers you may have seen in this segment. This water purifier has a good build quality. At the left side, as you can see, it has a separate entry path for water filtration and another for letting out wastewater. Do not use this drained water for cooking or drinking. If you want to reuse this wastewater, use it for washing your veggies or clothes. This LG water purifier offers a 5-stage filtration for water purification. This is the topmost pre-sediment filter that removes larger particles like dirt and mud. There are also other filters available for thorough purification process. One thing to note that this model WW130NP doesn't come with mineral booster, which is available on high-end LG water purifiers. One of its unique features is that it comes with dual protection stainless steel tank. Bacteria don't grow on stainless steel tank surfaces as compared to plastic tanks in ordinary water purifiers. So having the stainless steel tank is a notable advantage over other water purifiers. This tank also has a dual protection that seals the tank completely. Even small dust particles cannot enter in this tank. The capacity of this tank is 8 liters. Here at the front, there are 2 indicators. One is the power indicator. The second indicates when the tank is full. The model I am using doesn't come with the filter change indicator that is available on higher models. I have been using this water purifier for over a week now and I am happy with the water taste and the performance of this product. If you are also thinking to buy a good water purifier, you can buy LG Puricare WW130NP RO. It looks really good, comes with premium build, attractive design and 5-stage filtration process. I am also adding the best buy links in the video description. That's it for this video. If you have any question to ask, leave it in the comment and I will reply it as soon as possible. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video. See you guys in the next one.